In this video, I'll guide you through how to add text over an image in Webflow. Whether you're designing a stunning portfolio, creating a captivating blog post, or just want to enhance your website's visual appeal, learning how to overlay text on images is an essential skill. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to webflow.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll want to log in to access your projects. If you don't have an account yet, now's the time to create one. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, you should see a dashboard with all your existing sites. Next, select the site where you'd like to add this text over image effect. Simply click on the site thumbnail and it will take you into the site editor. This is where you can make all your design modifications. If you're new to Webflow, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The interface is intuitive and you'll find everything you need on the left-hand side. Now, look to the left panel and find the Add Element button. Click on it. This panel is your toolbox filled with all the elements you can add to your site, from simple text blocks to complex interactive features. Scroll through the elements until you find the text option. This is what you'll use to create the text overlay. Once you've located the text element, click it, and drag it over to the image on your page. You'll notice that Webflow allows you to position it precisely where you want it. This flexibility is one of the many reasons why designers love using Webflow. As you drag the text, you'll see visual guides to help you align it perfectly. Release the mouse button to drop the text element onto the image. Now that you've placed the text, it's time to style it. Click on the text block to open the styling options. Here, you can change the font, size, color, and more to ensure your text complements the image. Consider the image's colors and design. You want your text to stand out yet harmonize with the overall aesthetic. If your image is busy or has a lot of colors, a simple, bold font might work best. Additionally, you might want to adjust the text background or add a shadow to enhance readability. Webflow offers a range of styling options, so don't hesitate to experiment until you find what looks best. Remember, the goal is to make the text easy to read while maintaining the visual appeal. Once you're satisfied with the look, take a moment to preview your site by clicking the preview button at the top of the editor. This step is crucial as it allows you to see how the text and image will appear to your visitors. If everything looks good, you're all set. If not, simply go back and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've successfully added text over an image in Webflow. This technique is a fantastic way to make your site more engaging and visually appealing. Don't forget to save your changes and publish your site when you're ready to share your design with the world. Thanks for watching and happy designing.